Alright, we're here at IKEA and we're going to ride the elevator that goes up to the showroom and Swedish buffet. Up to 2. Coming down?
Yep.
Oh, almost hit the alarm. I was really close. You have a good day. One more ride up. Has a really good motor. Coming down. Yep. There we go. Alright, you guys have a good day. That's going to be completely it for the elevator to the showroom and Swedish restaurant, aka elevator number 2P. It is an extremely nice elevator.